and welcome back. This time I am backpacking in the city of Varanasi. And after a very long treacherous night, I'm finally here. So right now I've got this cab from the airport booth itself. This is like the airport is around 26 kilometers away from the city center, and this cab is charging me like 500, and plus I'm getting an Innova, so I think it's fair enough. So let's see what awaits. So right now we are headed to the infamous Manikarnika Ghat. This is quite a crowded place. Unfortunately you can't see any vehicles right now, but we dodged a few. This is Patricia. Hi. Rajesh. Hi Rajesh. Hi Patricia. And now we are back to the chaos. So right now we visited the Manikarnika Ghat, and it's difficult to put a name to the feeling we had there. We literally saw the corpses burning, and it was very terrifying. Yet I got a feeling which, like I said, it's hard to describe. Quite a deep feeling, very heavy feeling rather. So Manikarnika Ghat is known as the Ghat of life and death. The corpses burn here every day, every night. This has been happening for the past 3,000 odd years or so. So if you can see faintly, some smoke is coming out. That's the corpses burning. And if they say that if we had a chance to be cremated at this ghat, or rather in Varanasi itself, which is this ghat, you get a chance to go to heaven directly. But luckily, day one had a great ending. We tried the infamous bhang, and well, it was a night to remember. Enjoy this clip of making a bhang, especially the part which made us high the whole night. And the Varanasi food train begins. This is the aloo tikki chaat. Here's me pretending to like a dish of golgappa, which was, to be honest, pretty pathetic. And day 2 begins finally. After working for 7 hours, I'm back to traveling. So now we are having some tea and malai toast. This is a local delicacy. So let's see. So right now I'm at the Assi Ghat, the ghat from whose Varanasi name is derived. It's pretty packed right now. This is going to be the evening Ganga Aarti. Chaotic, yes. Feels so good. So before we attend the Aarti, we decided to have a quick meal at Vatika Pizzeria. It's known to be the oldest pizzeria here, and this is the pizza we're gonna try. This is Patricia again. Good morning from Varanasi. Today finally I'll be traveling all over the city, get through all the temples and all the historic places. So right now I'm at the Banaras Hindu University. I am just walking towards the library. Actually this is the Shri Vishwanath temple. Pretty huge. Before this, I went to the Sankat Mochan Hanuman Mandir. Photography was not allowed there because there was a bombing which took place in 2007, after which they have restricted electronic items. But the vibe there, like, it was unimaginable. It was so positive. And today's Saturday, that is Hanuman's Day, and I don't know, I can't express in words how good I felt for just a visit of like 10-15 minutes. So right now I'm at the Tulsi Manas Mandir. This is the place they say where Tulsidas wrote. So it's 12 o'clock, it's quite a sunny afternoon, and here I am at Sarnath, which is about 12 to 15 kilometers away from the city center of Varanasi. So this is a stupa called Chaukhandi. So this is the tree where Buddha gave his first sermon. So we are ending this day in Varanasi at Mona Lisa Cafe. The poster, I know, I you can't see, but it's super funny for me. And we are having some coffee. And this is Yuli. Hi. So we met in Sarnath. Yes. And now we're just chit-chatting in the gullies of Varanasi.
Yes, getting ready for a nice Indian classical music concert.
Yeah.
So.
What a beautiful start to the day. This is my last day as a 20-year-old and I couldn't have asked for a better start. So after a quick costume change and time change, it's around 4 and right now I'm at the Ramnagar fort. This is about 6 kilometers from the city. Took a lot. They charged a bomb to come here, and honestly speaking, it's not that worth spending around 200 rupees just to get here and inside. Like, there's a museum, but I don't know, it's so ill-maintained, ill-maintained, and yeah, I would prefer not. But yeah, the architecture seems good. And there's also a ghat here which I've heard, so let's see how that is. Go where your nose leads you to, or this is where I have come. This is Kalluji. Hello.
हमारा काम एरोमा थेरेपी का है और हम एरोमा थेरेपिस्ट हैं और हमारे जो इत्र हैं वो हम खुद डिस्टिल करते हैं, वो भी स्टीम डिस्टिल करते हैं।
ये आपका कितने सालों से है ये?
जी मैं छठी पुश्त हूँ। आई एम अ 6th जनरेशन वर्किंग ऑफ दिस।
इधर आएंगे तो आपको लाखों मतलब हज़ारों ऑप्शंस लग रहे हैं और वो आपको जैसे आपके बॉडी को सूट करता है उसके मतलब आपको वो दिखाते हैं ऑप्शंस एंड द वन विच सूट्स यू इज़ लाइक यू नो इट इन योर हार्ट दैट दैट्स द वन फॉर यू। प्लीज़ चेक कीजिए, बहुत ही यूनिक चीज़ है इधर से लेने के लिए। और मतलब परफ्यूम्स इज़ माई हॉबीज, लाइक आई एम अ परफ्यूम फैनेटिक, सो I literally came here for that. So you also try, and I guarantee you it will be an experience worth it. So finally I visited the much awaited Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. Phones and cameras are no electronic item is allowed. So I'll just show you how it is, and I can't explain how good the experience was. So enjoy. I also wore a sari I bought here. This is the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, which was built in 2019-20. This is the Gyanvapi Masjid. So if you see, the golden part is the main mandir. It's pretty crowded today. It's Monday and Diwali. And I'm at the most popular ghat, the Dashashwamedh Ghat. Practically this is the Man Mahal ghat. This is quite a pretty palace. And then there's this view which is really good right now, like the sun is setting. There's a Bollywood song on Banarsi Pan, so of course I had to try it. This was a shop at Dashashwamedh Ghat, and funnily enough, they also feed you the pan. So enjoy this quick clip of how he makes the pan and how I react to it as well. So this was Varanasi for me, a trip that was necessary for my sanity, my curiosity and my spirituality, and a perfect way to start my 21st year. So Varanasi, I hope we meet again.